everyone, welcome to Fameworld Educational Hub. Myself, Aishwarya Saxena, and today in the series of web designing, I am going to illustrate lecture number 14, and here I am going to illustrate an example of inline style sheet. I have already uploaded few videos on inline style sheets. Even I have uploaded 13 lectures in the HTML lecture series. So if you haven't watched them yet, then please watch those videos. And if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe and also press the notification bell so that you will receive the notification of my latest uploads. This channel includes tech videos and different languages videos. If you are a computer person, if you like to learn computer, then there are different courses, full version of courses free of cost are available on this channel. C, C++, Java, web designing, triple C, O level and many different courses related to computer science and information technology are available on this channel. So if you are new, then please subscribe, and if you are a subscriber of this channel, thank you. Now let's start with lecture number 14. I have already discussed inline style sheet in my previous lectures, and here is another example. Now here I am going to illustrate the style attribute with font size, and here the font size is not given in the pixels but it is given in the percentage. There are different methods of giving the font size of the elements of HTML document. So you can use px, that is pixel, or you can also use percentage on the element. So here I have given h1 style font size 300%, p, that is paragraph style font size 160%, h1 style text align. Now here you can see that in the previous videos we have already seen that the alignment of the text of the paragraphs and the heading elements, we use align tag, align attribute with the heading tag or the paragraph tag. But here the new elements are introduced that we can also use the style attribute with the heading or the paragraph tag to give the alignment. So here it's given text align. Text align is the keyword which is used for giving the alignment whenever we are using the inline style sheets. So here h1 is the tag, style is the attribute, then text align is the keyword, colon, then center. Similarly here also p, that is paragraph tag, style is the attribute, text align is the keyword, and center is the alignment. Now let's save the document. I have saved the document with lecture14.html in the HTML lectures folder, and now here let's go to the Chrome. You can use your favorite browser. Here you can see it clearly that the visible differences from the previous lectures and here. As you know very well that the size of the heading tags are preset. You know very well, I have already discussed in the previous lectures, but I have also told in those lectures that there are different methods to apply the styling, that are style sheets. So here we are using the CSS, that is cascading style sheet attributes, to enhance our HTML document. So here I have given font size 300 pixels. That's why the heading tag is appearing like this. So you can see the size is very much large as compared to the normal HTML heading tag. Here the paragraph style font size 160 pixel is it's this one, and here the heading style text center line. So you can see that here is no font size applied here. The only h1 tag is applied and the center aligning is given here. That's why it is center align. So I hope you are getting the differences clear. I am comparing this particular lecture with the previous lectures, as I have already discussed the heading tags, the 6 levels of the heading in the separate video. I hope you have watched that video. If you haven't watched it, then please go to that video and get an idea of the heading elements of HTML tags. Here also P style text align center, so the center align paragraph tag. Now you can see it, the difference is very clear. You can see the visible difference that when I have not applied any font size on this particular line, then the size is so small as compared to the this line, as here the font size is 160 percent. Okay, now let's make some changes. I am going to change the font size from 160 pixel to 16 pixel. It's not that I am converting it. I'm just giving a random value. I can take it 36 also. Let's save it and now refresh. So you can see. So there are different methods, as I have already discussed the px, that is pixel unit, in the previous lecture. So here I am giving an example of percentage. I hope this particular example is clear to you. If you are having any queries, then please drop your queries in the comment box. If you like this video, then hit the like button and share this particular video and the channel link with your friends, so they will also get an idea of these different styles which I am explaining on this channel. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like the video. If you are having any query, then please drop your query in the comment box and stay tuned. See you in the next video.